Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel! My name is Shannon, and today, first of all, I wanted to excuse myself for this decent makeup I'm wearing today, and my hair looks so weird as well. But I did have quite a busy day today, and I will head off to work in a few as well. But I still wanted to share a haul with you all, because I did buy a lot of amazing things in my opinion from Action, and I don't know if it's like that popular in other countries as well. It's a brand from the Netherlands, and they sell literally everything from clothing to food to, don't ask me, oh my gosh, like the main reason I go shopping there is because they have such amazing DIY stuff, and I love DIY products, like to create my own kind of things. And so yeah, I did buy a lot of things that I really want to share with you all. So yeah, let's jump into it. So I did buy most of the things by myself, and a few products I did get from my mom because she did go to Action as well, and yeah, just got me a few things. So I will start with some stickers right here. I just love these so much. They look so unique, and I love putting these in like my organizer in my 2018 agenda. Obviously, they just look so nice. This sheet has like cakes on it and some flowers as well. And that's the second side, by the way. I think they are just so cute, honestly, and the price for them is just incredible. So I did get this one for myself, and my mom did get me this one, which is so cute. I did not even see this one. Then I came home and she bought me this one. It's just so cute. It's got like fashion and makeup stuff on it, and also some cute notes on this side. That's just so cute. The next thing are some deco flowers, and there's 72 in here, and I really hope that you can see them because they are like so cute to pop on gifts or like gift cards or something like that. I think they just look so cute. The next thing are some 3D stickers, and I did not read that these are stickers. I thought these were tags to pop on gifts or something as well, but these are stickers. But it's fine, like they are just so cute as well. I love these, the details, the colors. They look like so vintage, and they have a little bit of glitter on top as well, and who doesn't love glitter? Next, I got some craft bottles, and I got like these pearls in here. I did actually buy 3 of these in different shades. This one, as I said, are like literal pearls, and the other ones are like glitter and something like that. I don't know. I think both of them were like glitter, but I did open them already and used a few of them, so I just wanted to show you all this package right here because it's still like closed, and I think they are so cute. I can use them for nail polish, like to pop on nail polish, makeup, like for pictures as well, like on Instagram and stuff like that. And I think you can just create and decorate a lot of things with these right here. The next thing I got is a little bit boring, but it was just so cheap. It's a regular calculator, and it makes me look smart. I'm just kidding, no. It was just so simple and handy. I love the size of it, so I grabbed this one. So the next 2 things my mom bought for me. These are just some fairy lights because she had these and I really loved them, and she did decorate with them already, so she got me the same pair as well, just because I thought that you can create such amazing pictures with these. One of these is just warm white, and the other one is multicolor, so yeah, it's just colorful, and I think they're just perfect. The next thing is like so exciting. It says fancy leather set, and it's just I think 6, yeah, we got 6 leather sheets in here, and I didn't open this one yet, so I will do that of course on camera. So let's see. I think it comes with like different colors. Ooh, it actually feels amazing, and even if I rub on it, the glitter doesn't come off at all. Okay, so that's like the first sheet, and it's with silver glitter. The next one is just white leather. Ooh, this one looks so nice. It's like black, but it has glitter on it, like black and like blue, pink, silver and golden glitter on it. I don't know if you can see that, like I don't know if the camera catches all these effects, but it does look amazing for DIY stuff. Oh my gosh, cannot wait to work with this. Then I got another classic, like a grayish one, a silver one, and yeah, 2 silver ones. These are so cool as well. They feel amazing, you guys, and for that price it's just perfect. Next I got some flowers again. They're so cute as well, and I'm just waiting for spring already because it's just so cold outside, you guys. I'm freezing, and they just look so cute to work with. Next I got some glittery flowers, like these are roses actually, and they just look so cute as well. Next I just got some markers. These are just like for permanent labeling of some different materials, and that's just so handy. These are black, and I do have like a few of them already, and you can never have enough of these. Next I got 3D craft stickers, and my mom did buy these for me as well. It has like fashion stuff on here, and this lipstick is like bomb, you guys. I cannot wait to put this on somewhere, and they feel amazing. Next I got the cutest thing ever. These are 3D stickers as well, and these are from Minnie Mouse, and it's just so cute. I love Disney so much, and Minnie is so cute. So yeah, I'm really happy with these. Next I got some other 3D stickers, and these are just so springful. Can I say that? I don't know, but these are just perfect for spring, I guess. The colors are so cute as well, and the details, because they have like rhinestones on, and that is just perfect. Next I got some charms. I honestly saw them like every time I went to Action, but this time I just had to get them. They are like so cute to pop on. I don't know what just yet. Maybe my keys or something like that, because they are just so cute. I love the guitar and like the moon and the diamond as well. I love everything of this. So this set is like the most perfect I've ever seen. So yeah, I did get this one. Next I got some washi tape, and I do have a lot of these already. I did try out a lot of them already. There's always like 3 in one package, and I really didn't need it. Another few, but these colors are like so pretty. It's like gray and like rose gold. I didn't have any in these colors just yet, so I wanted these. This one says hooray today. No, it's today, hooray. Oh, sorry. And the other one got like cute design on it as well. I will give you a close-up because I cannot really describe that at all. It's like trees. Yeah, it's just so cute. Next I got a candle, and my mom actually chose this, but I really wanted to show you all this one. It's from Airwick, and it's the scent, like the smell of it, you guys. Incredible. It's apple crumble, and it has like cinnamon in it, and it just... Can I eat this? Like, please? I know it's a candle, but can I please eat this? Like, what? Next I got this jar right here, and it's from the Romance collection. It actually has a tag on it. You can like give this to someone. It says to and from to fill that out, but I will keep this, of course. It's just so pretty. I didn't open it yet, but I think it feels so heavy and the quality feels amazing. It looks amazing, and I cannot wait to pop, like, I don't know, maybe candies inside this or something like that. I think that would look so cute, or maybe even on my background. I'm not sure about it just yet, but really think this is worth the price. Next I got some flowers, or like more like fake plants, and I think it just looks so cute. Like the colors of it are just perfect for every season in my opinion. And yep, I don't know where to put this just yet, but I think it's so cute. Next I got some wedding themed products because my friend is going to get married and I wanted to do a little bit of a DIY as well. And so I bought this box right here. It has 2 mugs in here. It says Mr. Right and Miss Always Right. That's just so perfect. And I think they're like so cute. If I had a boyfriend, then I would probably buy this for myself as well. But yeah, maybe one day. I did get another wedding themed thing as well. And these are just so cute. These are hobby themed figures and they just look so cute, you guys. I don't know what to do with them just yet, but we will see. I got a wedding card as well because it was just the cutest I saw that day, and yeah, it has like a red envelope on it as well. I think it just looks so cute. Next I got this ribbon, which is also wedding themed. It says love and married on it. I think it's like so cute. So that was it for my friend's like wedding. And next I got 2 hot water bottles because it's just freezing cold here in Germany, and I think you can never have enough of these, like covered all over my bed probably. And I think this pink one was so cute and this red one as well. And I only had like blue ones left and a white one, I guess. So now I got another 2 bits. So these were the things I did get throughout the week, and I also had some things left I did buy like a month ago or something like that, and I didn't have the chance have the chance just yet to open these or play with these things, so I thought of sharing them with you as well, just because they are still like in the package. And yeah, so excuse me, I don't really know the prices of the next items that I will show you, but Action is a pretty like amazing store. They have such amazing offers and amazing prices, a lot of low prices. You get amazing things for your money. So believe me, the products I will show you now were not that expensive. So first I got this acrylic like paint set with a lot of colors in here. Do you have a lot of, I'm sorry, I do have a lot of these colors already, but this package included so many colors I didn't own just yet. For example, we do have gold in here. We do have a like shimmery brown in here. We do have silver in here. And yeah, just a lot of colors that I didn't own just yet. Of course I had to get some canvas as well because I wanted to play with these colors. So I did get this. This is like a triple package. Whoa! Yeah, this is like a triple package. So you get 3 in here. These are like all slim. And then I got like the thick ones as well. There's just 1 in here. This is pretty huge. I don't know what to do with that just yet. And then I got like 2 smaller ones, which are like pretty thick as well. And I thought of, I don't know what to write on them. Maybe pop some glitter on as well and pop that on in like my background or something like that. Well, we will see. And then I got some brushes, not for my face, but to play like with the canvas and with the colors I did get. So yeah, it's just a 12 piece. Is it 12? Yeah, it's a 12 piece brush set, and all of these are flat. And I didn't have some good flat ones just yet. I only had like round ones and like so much bigger ones, and I wanted like smaller ones to paint like more detailed and precise. So I got this. I don't know how much all of these products were, but I guess none of these were more than €2 or something like that. So that's just incredible, isn't it? Because I did spend a lot of money on stuff like that before, and I'm so glad that I do have Action in my hometown. So that's just it for my Action haul. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up, please. That will make me so happy. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't been subscribed already, and click that cute little bell as well to get notifications on whenever I post any new videos. Check out my social medias if you haven't checked them out already. My Twitter is @Chuni__, and my Instagram is omaimulingar. So yeah, go check them out, please. Follow me and I will probably follow you back. And yeah, I hope to see you soon. Goodbye!